Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the back exercise of the chapter number 13, Light and Shadows. The question number 1 of the back exercise is put a true for true and a false for false. Give a reason for your answer. And the first statement is sun and stars are sources of light. This statement is true. Look here, sun and the stars are sources of light. The second statement is if no light falls on this book, you can still see it. This statement is wrong. And the reason is because we see around us due to light. Look here, we see around us with the help of light. The third statement is whenever the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow of the object is formed, and this statement is true. Look here, this one is its best example. When the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow of the object is formed. The fourth statement is your shadow formed by the sun remains same throughout the day. So this statement is wrong. And the reason is size and direction of the shadow changes during day. The size and direction of the shadow changes during day because the source of the light. The fifth statement is we can use a sundial to tell the time at night. This statement is wrong and the reason is sundial only works during day. There were no clock in olden days. People used the direction of the shadow of a pole to tell the time of the day. This is called a sundial. The last statement is small objects cannot form big shadows. This statement is wrong and the reason is no. Size of shadow depend on direction of light. Look here, if the objects are closer to the light source, the large shadow are formed. The question number 2 of the back exercise is name these and the first statement is things which give out their own light are called sun and star. Things which give out their own light are called sun and stars. The second statement is materials through which we can see are called transparent materials. Material through which we can see are called transparent material. The third statement is it is formed when light is blocked are called shadow. Look here, a shadow is formed when the light is blocked. And the last statement is thing used to tell the time in olden days are called sundial. Look here, sundial is used in olden days to tell the time.